gouverne par sondage. OK? C'est 600 000 qui ont été dépensés.
Okay, are you listening? The government rules by taking the sondage. The sondage is when they go to door and you do that report. You fill it in A, yes, no, 2 people living here, and then they'll stick it in. What do you like to eat? What do you eat? What do you buy every single week? So listen.
En sondage par le gouvernement Legault, c'est la même chose dans tous les pays. Ils prennent le pouls de la population et quand ils voient que la population ne suit plus, ils ajustent les politiques gouvernementales en conséquence. Donc,
so you're listening to what he's saying is they see what the people say in the sondage and they make this obligatory. There's a couple of sondages that are obligatory, some are not, but everybody wants to get involved. You know, hey, let me fill it out. I'm going to send you, what do you call it? Hold on. Okay, it's survey. So when they come out and they do surveys, okay, they're getting information, personal information about you. That's right. Surveys are personal information about you. Go over the situation. What happened? Why are you doing the survey? Was it a telephone call? Was it a telephone call, the survey? What was the survey? Sondage. Survey. See, sometimes we couldn't say it in English, right? So we say it in French. English and French. The squarehead and the frog. What do the English do, right? They go out and they hunt the fox. And what do the French do? So I want to know what the French and the English do. Or do the English horseback ride and the French, let me see. Hold on a second. What do the Englishmen do in the 1800s on their horse? They go hunting. Medieval English. The general makeup of the hunt. Bow and arrow, setting traps. Okay, this is the English hunt work. Okay, so we have to understand this. This is part of the building of what a word means. You have to understand medieval means, anytime you see MI or ME, it's a half time of something. Okay, the E and the I, one is the birth, one is the electronic. And there's a pause in between the two. It's from E, and the receiving is I. F, received by H. E, okay, received by I. C, okay, received by HI, what is it, J? Oh, let me see, 66, 55, 44, 33. This is where Jesus comes in. This is where space comes in. This is where electric company comes in. And this is Corona, freedom of 55, the student, yo. Okay, so DC coming into the sun. And then I think we'd go 66 again to the other side. So this would be 33. But anyways, I don't want to talk about that. I'm just trying to see that this is the E, this is the D, this is the C, this is the H, this is the I, this is the J4, 10-4, and that's a reverse in the cubes. 22 is 55, is 64, is 13, all creating sevens. That's how I know. And then the next one is J and K. So it's K is the 3 and the 11. That's where the red ball comes in. So what is happening? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And this one over here all the way down, right? I shouldn't have done that. This one all the way down. Or, right, this one is 7. So it's 7, 5, 7. On this side, E and I come together. D and J come together. C and K come together. B and L come together. A and M come together, all divided by the 7th gate. This is where the spirit comes in. This is where the gateway is. This is where the passage through the cities before getting to the gateway. This is where the freedom door comes in, electric company. This is the Fox Pass, possibly inside the sun. This is difficult to explain. Its rotation of 66. How do we create 36? But I know 36 creates I and R. 9 and 18. I and R. So I'm not really sure what it is. It equals to 27. And that now will create win big red. Now, other numbers that will do the mathematics is 27, is 23 and 32, and I think 35. 3 times 5 equals to 15. 3 plus 5 equals to 0, 8 equals to 23. 2 times 7 equals to 14n equals to 15o. 2 plus 7 equals to 9i. 15 and 8, 23. 9 and 14, 23. Pi is 3.14159265. 15 and 14 is 29. 1 and 4 is 5. 1 and 5 is 6. So it's just so funny that that's how we start. And all these numbers come together, 23, 23, 23. Another place that we get 23 is also from number 12. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3, 23. So these are all associated, so we can branch off. This is how the gematria works. The one over there is the Chaldean. And I'm really only working off of basic stuff, very basic. There's a lot involved. I didn't find out where the French, what the French do. I know the French cook. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. For now. There's a whole lot more that goes on with this. I was drawing something before. Where did that little drawing go before I let this go? Oh, it was this. Depending on how you want to look at it, right? So you'd have to go all the way down, 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 down to the bottom here, down to the bottom here. Going to be a turn of a loop. If I would have cut that, it's a long runway, and then it goes down to the side. Just let me see something on this. I'm always playing with stuff, right? Can we put a dimension in it? Can I put a dimension in it? Would that be the dimension? Cutting, it would cut off here. I'd say it would cut off here. Did that distort it at all? Or should I have done that with it? Anyways, looks like a bird. Okay, I'm ending it. Hey, look at that. The menorah. The menorah underneath the ground. I'm just thinking, I don't know what this is yet. Oh, this can be the cap. Put the 2 eyes over here, and it'd be the cap that's connected to the rest. One can go here, another cap can go over here, and then a reflection caps over here, and we can also create from this, if I remember correctly. How did we do this? We did 1, 2, then we did that, and then I did that, and then I'm turning this into the bull, right? At the same time, this can also become the Star of David. But we're just going to look at it one way right now, and I'm going to be Whoop, that's not the way to do it. That had to go to there. Sorry. So maybe I should make a split in here just for the fun of it. And then we can finish off the point over here. I'm just trying to figure out. I can also put on the second wing. And now you have your Star of David, but you also have plateaus and entry points. Don't know what they are. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Oh God, you want to see what I did here with 1776? 6 divides by 1776 by 296. So I went 6 times 296, but I did it to a single digit, creating 993. So I don't know why I have this. Creating 993. Just 1 second. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 9, 54. So why do I have 396? 399. Creation in Jupiter. So 6 by 2 is 12. 1 and 2 is 399. Then I went... what did I do over here? Why did I get a 9 over here? 3 times 6 is 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 5 times 4 equals 20. 1 times 2 equals 2. 5 times 4 equals 20. 3 times 6 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. So now what happens here, because this equaled to 20 and it had a 20, a 0 on it, I always add 6. So this will now be 586 instead of 22. Instead of 526, it's going to be 586. Now why 5? I added the 2 sections together. 9 and 9 is 18. 1 plus 8. Well, then now there's something wrong here. How did I get this one? Oh, yes, this one was this. So now how am I getting this? 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 and 2 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. Oh, yes, because I changed this number. I changed the number. So now this will become a 9. Becomes 529. And since it's 529, okay, this one's going to be changed into an 8. It becomes 589. So why do I have 289? Now I'm a little... Anyways, leave that out. I have to check that out again. Thank you for watching this video. Anyways, this is the 6. This one's the 8. 8 times 222 equals 1776. But when you multiply individually, they all equal 16. The total of this is 48. That will tell me about the son of Pluto. It'll also create the calculation 4 by 4 as 32 and 12 come together. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 plus 4 equals to 12. The total is 44. Equals to 16. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. This is your phi. This is your day and night. Day equals to 30. Night is in. 9 and 14, it's part of the 27 equation. It's in the night. So you have 9, 23, and 7, and 8 is 15. 15 and 23 is 38, 48. 58 is the night. Matrix. 30 is the day. 88 is the total. So is the purple sky, divided skies, 88. Right? 28 and 7, 35, and 9, 44. 54, 58. Thank you for watching.